The future is about rethinking our behavior. It's about facing challenges and shaping a new normal. Sustainable development means constantly working on making products friendlier for people, animals, and the environment. It's a journey we've been on with Lanius for over 20 years now. We focused on fair working conditions, natural organic materials, no harmful chemicals, and highest quality. But now we are taking the next step and think beyond creating and selling a product. Our aim is to educate our customers and help them to care for textiles in a way that extends their lifespan. We want our products to last as long as possible, even if the customer no longer wants to wear them. Our clothes do not belong in the trash because they are still valuable in the next season and the season after that. This is why we are developing a care, repair, and resale service with strong partners. It needs innovative ideas to reform the future, as well as the joint action to slow the fashion industry down and make it fairer and more sustainable, also for future generations.